Hi, my name is Molepo. I teach grade 2C at Mamangina Project School. Then today we have talked about our lesson, which is a baby animals on the farm. Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Well, thank you. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
Do you feel happy?
Yes.
Our introduction today is about asking the learner about how do they feel and whether they have some animals at home. I just asked them about those animals. How do they taking care of those animals? Do you have some animals at home?
Yes.
What kind of animal do you have at home? What kind of animal do you have at home? Mary?
Chicken.
Chicken? Chocolate?
Dog.
How do you take care of those animals? Yeah. How do you take care of that animals? Sipesu?
I brush my cat.
Good. Listen.
I brush my dog.
Then from there we went to step 1. In step 1 we have talked about the poster, the big poster. I pasted the big poster on the chalkboard where it's got the different types of animal in the farm. The animal, you must identify animal in the poster. Look at the poster and identify some animals you see. Saluta.
Donkey.
Donkey. Donkey. Good. Summer.
Horse.
Horse. Tabang.
Chicken.
I hand out for them the different types of the mother animal from that poster. What is this animal? What is this animal I'm holding? Wait, see?
It is a horse.
Good. Horse. Say horse.
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 It is a horse.
It is a horse.
It's a horse.
It is a horse.
Going to paste it on the board. Going to take another one. Who can tell me what is this animal? What is this animal? I'm going to remember it because you have talked about it. Already?
Cow.
Cow. Then from there I asked those learner about the front page of the front page of our book. What are you going to find in this area? Who can tell me what? We are going to find this and that in this area. Motor?
Donkey.
Donkey. Tracy?
Cow.
Cows. Shaku?
Pig.
Pig. Then from there we went to shed reading. I'm going to read for you. Here is the picture of the horse. You're already talking about it. Here is the horse and a
Baby horse.
I'm reading for you. This is a horse. A baby is called a
Cow.
This is the picture of the
Donkey.
and a baby of a donkey. I'm reading for you.
This is a donkey. A baby
Is also called a
fowl.
Later I come back, I've asked those learner about I've asked those learner the question from that storybook we have already have read for them. What do you call the baby of a cow?
Cow.
Again?
Cow.
What do you call the baby pig?
Pig.
the baby pig?
Piglet.
Piglet. Good. I asked those learners to go and paste those baby animals to test their understanding, to paste it under the mother animal. Is it the correct picture?
Yes.
Good, good, good. And the last one, Dimple, come and collect the baby of a pig. Come and collect the baby of a pig. Dimple is the tallest one in the class. Good, good. We sing a song. I teach them the song. We sing it. After singing that song, we dramatize it. After we dramatize that song, we do the functions of those animals we have talked about. Cows provide us with milk, beef, and skin. Then sheep provide us with wool and mutton. While pigs provide us with pork. Again? Pork. Good. I asked those learners to go and sit on the deck so that they can do for that day an activity. That activity was about that matching of the mother animal to a baby animal.